Hi, it's Tom Mills for Federal Student Loan Forgiveness, and we're going to look at the Civil Legal Assistance Attorney Loan Repayment Program. There are a variety of federal student loan forgiveness programs available for the public services sector. These include Peace Corps, military duty, teachers, nurses, and others who perform important jobs for relatively little pay. One career that is somewhat unheralded due to its somewhat shady reputation is that of attorneys. That is not to say all lawyers have no scruples, but it seems that the most rich and powerful influence the mass opinion, despite the anonymity of those who toil with little fanfare for the common man. Despite what the public thinks, there are men and women in the legal field who perform for very little pay, relatively speaking, and these are people who work as civil legal assistance attorneys. Since this area is now considered public service, there are loan forgiveness programs to be utilized as well. The Civil Legal Assistance Attorney Loan Repayment Program. An individual who is interested in practicing law is highly encouraged to study and find employment as a civil legal assistance attorney. Applicants must have practiced law for a minimum of 5 years and have been in the position of civil legal assistant attorney for 90% of that time. A distribution from a congressional appropriation will be on a first-come, first-served basis with priority status assigned by the U.S. Department of Education. Applicants who receive the benefit during the prior year and have completed less than 3 years of the mandatory first period of service will have the advantage over anybody else who applies. What is the eligibility criteria? There are 4 distinct parts to the eligibility status, and each of these will be discussed briefly below. The borrower has to have employment as a civil legal assistance attorney, not be in default with any loans, and has to enter into a written contract with the United States Department of Education. Any eligible applicant must be licensed to practice law and must be holding the position of civil legal assistance attorney. This can be with a nonprofit organization providing legal assistance to low-income individuals on a pro bono basis, or a client assistance program that provides legal assistance with civil matters and gets its funding from a qualified federal program. In addition, the employee must be working full-time for the firm providing legal aid. Many types of education loans are eligible, including FFEL, or the Federal Family Education Loan, Federal Direct Loans, or DL, and Perkins loans. These could have been used to pay back a Stafford loan or PLUS loan, but PLUS loans, commercial, and other alternative loans cannot be used for this type of forgiveness. Any forgiveness amount is subject to the availability of funds and is at the discretion of congressional appropriations. It is on a first-come, first-served basis, and these funds have not been appropriated. Payments come from the United States Department of Education and go straight to the lender in the borrower's name. A total of $6,000 is available each calendar year, with a maximum of $40,000 for any candidate who continues to fill the service contract requirements. Thanks for watching.